house looks beautiful.
I'm gonna get my camera.
Okay. Molly! What you doing, girl? What you doing? You stand there long enough, you'll become a snowman yourself. Do you like this snow, huh? Oh, jeez. All right, guys, stop eating the snow. Come on up here.
Yeah.
Hey, Mal, why don't you stay up here? You really want to go down there? Okay. Because they're coming up.